For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Parenting is not an easy job. Those who have kids know how tough it is to handle kids at home. Raising children is nothing short of a challenge because it requires tremendous patience and determination. Children have their way of observing things, and therefore it is essential to look at the world from their perspective. Couples often find it difficult to encourage their children to do activities that will help them build a strong foundation for their learning. Children are too young to understand the importance of knowledge, and they rarely show any interest in learning activities based on their happiness. Parents might face difficulty to deal with the fact that their children don't show any interest in learning. If that's the case, worry not. Here we have a few simple advices that you can make use of to make your child more dynamic and self-motivated. Organize little competitions at home and take part in it as a participant. For sure, by doing so, you will encourage him or her to take part in such contests in future and also develop a competitive spirit in him or her. You can also try organizing a drawing, craft making, or an essay writing competition that interests your child. Communication plays a very important role in life. It holds the key to solve any problem in the future. Encourage your child to express themselves through speaking out and explain the importance of communication and language. When a child starts communicating, it helps him or her to engage not just with you, but his or her friends and people at large. Communication also builds up courage to talk boldly when required without hesitation. Always encourage your children to discover their hidden strengths. Only when you discover your hidden strengths, you start knowing yourself better. The same holds true for kids as well. Everyone has their own talents, and every child is born with extraordinary talents and skills. Even your child may have those unique talents or skills that need to be explored and identified. Help him or her identify their hidden skills so that your children can make the most of it and also learn from it or become something big one day in the future. Look for games which can entertain your children and as well as educate them. Playing such interactive games with him or her will make them keen to win the game, and by doing so, they will learn and become attentive at the same time. When a game is planned or organized, keep a prize for winning a contest or a game. When you keep a prize for the contest or game, your child will be able to focus on the game very well. He or she will be excited or will be able to think about the award as the target and then work hard to get it. Hope all these tips make your life easier and make your kids more proactive.